Hello, my name is Andrew Gallagher, Wawa employee and enthusiast. Have you ever been sitting in class and you're getting hungry, it's nearing an end of class, and you think, well, I really want to get something to eat. You don't want to go to the caf because caf food gets old. You think of all the other places to eat on Delsey Drive. Now, most of them are fast food restaurants, and you think, well, it's not good to eat fast food, so why don't I choose a place that's not fast food? And you think about Wawa. You see Wawa right there. You think, wow, I could really go for a Wawa hoagie. So you go into Wawa. You order on the touchscreen your hoagie, and then you get your ticket. Now I'm going to show you how to make this Wawa sandwich that you just ordered. First off, you're going to want to prepare yourself. You're going to have to go into the back, into the deli, wash your hands for about a minute under some hot water with soap. Then you're going to put your hat on to make sure that no food gets into the hoagie. After you put your hat on, you're going to want to put your apron on to make sure that your clothes don't get in the way of you making your sandwich. So put on your apron. After your apron's on and your hands are washed, you're going to want to put on your gloves. After you put on your gloves, there's no way any germs or bacteria can get into the sandwich, at least from your hands. Now, after you put on your gloves, you're going to look at the screen. The screen is going to tell you exactly what to do. Now, first off, it's going to show you what kind of roll you need. Now, there are three different kinds of rolls, or three different sizes. There are a classic, which is 10 inches, a shorty, which is 6 inches, and a junior, which is 4 inches. And there are two different kinds. There's either wheat or white. Now, you look and it says classic roll. So you grab a classic roll. Now, before you do anything, you're going to look and see if you need any condiments or mayo. And if you do, you just put on your mayo and evenly distribute it and make sure everything's alright with the mayo. It's all nice and smooth. After you put on your mayo, you're going to want to put on your cheese. Now you look and see what kind of cheese there is, and since the classic hoagie, you're going to put down 3 slices of cheese. Now for the classic hoagie, it gets 3 slices of cheese, and the shorty gets 2 slices of cheese, and the junior gets 1 slice of cheese. And this goes the same for the meat also. Now, with the meat, you put on 3 slices for a classic, 2 for a shorty, and 1 for a junior. After the meat is on the sandwich, you're going to look and see that lettuce is the next thing that's on the screen. When you get your lettuce, there's an easy way to determine how much lettuce to put on each size of sandwich. Since it's a classic, you're going to want to use 3 fingers to pick up with your thumb of lettuce and place it over the meats and cheeses. And after you evenly distribute it, you're going to want to look and see if they want tomatoes. If they do, you put on 3 tomatoes because that's the 3-2-1 rule with the classic, shorty, and junior. Now, after you put on your tomatoes, you're going to see what kind of spices the customer would like on the sandwich. Now, the spices are either salt, pepper, oregano, grated parmesan, grated parm, or Old Bay. Now, after you put on all your spices, the sandwich is done. Well, not done yet, just yet. First, you have to cut it. And when you cut the sandwich, you're going to put the knife on first, and you're going to make a C shape with your hand and grasp the hoagie with the C shape, about 1 inch away from the knife to make sure you don't cut yourself. After you do this, you're going to cut it carefully, and then your sandwich is cut, and you're going to take it over to the wrapping station. Now, at the wrapping station, you're going to line it up, grab one of the corners, flip it over, roll it up, tuck in the sides, roll it further, and then tape it to make sure it's nice and tight. Now, after you wrapped it, you have to press the button to bump the ticket. Now, after you bump the ticket, you can see what number the sandwich is. So, you call out the number into the crowd of customers waiting. And after you call out the number, the person whose sandwich it is will come up, place their ticket in the basket, and you'll eye it up, make sure it's the right sandwich, and everything's all right. And then you say, "Thank you for shopping at Wawa. Have a great day." And the customer leaves. Now, at Wawa, we craft the perfect hoagie for each and every customer. Every customer has the option to get a hoagie just the way they want it. They can choose every single ingredient they want and exclude ingredients they don't want. And that's what's so great about Wawa, because you can have it your way, even though it's not Burger King. Now, some fun facts about Wawa. According to CEO Chris Gasons, Wawa stores in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, Florida, Virginia they all annually sell 60 million hoagies. That's a ton of hoagies if you think about it, just in these few states. Another fun fact about Wawa. Wawa means Canada Goose in Lenni Lenape, according to mentalfloss.com. Now, when you're thinking about getting some food next time when you're just about to get out of class, think about Wawa and think about how you can personally make the perfect sandwich for you.